Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to our MCMC world. In this video, we will introduce the movement module of the MCMC optimizer. The movement module defines how the items change or update during the optimization. It's a primary operation of the optimization. In the movement module, you can decide the movement policy and rules. The movement policy includes how many items should be selected, as well as if those selected items included the inactivated items for the RJ-MCMC optimization. The is-random movement defines how the movement rules are to be applied to the selected items. This video will demonstrate how to move and rotate the selected item by using our generic movement rules. First, let's set up the environment. We create a blue sphere as a center point. Increase its sphere collider to 5. We use this sphere collider as a boundary so that all the items will be limited within this area. And we add a center value to its meta. Second, we create a set of cubes as the movable items. Make sure their meta has a movable value. In the movement section, we add the precision movement rules. Set the meta required to movable, and set the collider meta to center. The meta required means only the items that has the given meta value will be selected and applied to the current movement rules. In the collider meta, however, we use the items colliders that have the center meta value as the movement boundary and be used to limit the item's position. As we can see, in each iteration, the optimizer will select one item and move it. Now, we try to add one more movement, the rotation movement, to the movement rules, and add the movable meta value to the meta required section. You can also adjust the weights of the movement rules. The weight defines the probability of how many chances the rules will be applied to the selected items. You can also click the Auto Weight button to normalize the weights. Before the optimization, the weights will also be optimized automatically. So you don't need to manually normalize the weights each time. The button is only for debugging and review used. As we can see, in each iteration, the optimizer will select one item, either move it or rotate it. We increase the number of the items in the movement policy. So in this time, in each iteration, there are at least 1 and no more than 3 items that will be selected and be either moved or rotated. We increase the number of the moves in the movement policy. In this time, in each iteration, the selected item will be moved and or rotated at the same time. We uncheck the is random movement in the movement policy. So in this time, in each situation, the selected item will be moved first, then followed by the rotation. You can also create your movement rules using our template. Here is the example of the flow movement. For more details about the movement module, please refer to the documentation. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.